How to install PianoSkin film inside the car. Using piano cleaner fluid and a microfiber cloth, thoroughly clean the selected interior element. Use PianoSkin installer. Spray it evenly over the entire surface of the element where the PianoSkin film will be installed. Using the start sheet, remove all backing layers marked with a red, circular sticker. Use PianoSkin installer. Spray it evenly over the unprotected part of the film. Gently place the film on the element. The gel used will allow you to position it precisely. Remove the stabilizing bridges so as not to deform the previously placed film. If you are installing the film without bridges, skip this step. Use a squeegee with a firm motion from the inside to the outside. Remove the gel from under the film. Do not press the squeegee too hard, as this could damage the adhesive, which will ultimately affect the final result. Remove the next backing layer and repeat the actions from step 4. Carefully clean the covered element, removing excess adhesive. Use the cloth and piano cleaner fluid. Perform this step carefully to avoid peeling off the freshly installed film. For the final result, wait as the adhesive relaxation takes from 12 to 24 hours, depending on the prevailing conditions.